In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Shein affiliate program step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Shein.com using your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find various sections filled with useful links. Look for the customer care section, and there you'll see an option labelled Shein affiliate. Go ahead and click on that. Click Start Earning. Right now you'll notice a message that says, sorry, the Shein affiliate program is currently only accessible on mobile devices. To participate, kindly scan the QR code or search for affiliate within your Shein app. When you see this, simply click OK to acknowledge the message. Next, you'll need to grab your mobile device and download the Shein app. You can find it on the App Store if you're using an Apple device or on Google Play if you're using an Android device. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it up and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password and provide any additional requested information. Once your account is up and running, open the app and navigate to the Me section, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find your account settings and options. Look carefully for the affiliate icon and tap on it. This is where your journey as a Shein affiliate really begins. You'll be presented with the terms and conditions of the program. It's important to read these carefully to fully understand your engagement as an affiliate partner. Once you're done, click I have read to proceed. Congratulations, you're now on the Shein affiliate program. From this point forward, you can start exploring the dashboard. You'll find your available balance and your personal referral code, which you can share with others. Moreover, you can browse all the products and campaigns available for you to promote. If you're looking for something specific, there's a search option that allows you to find particular products. When you find a product you'd like to promote, simply select it and click Earn. At this stage, you'll see the option to copy a link or share your affiliate links through various platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and more. This feature makes it incredibly easy to reach a broad audience of potential customers. You also have the option to save the image of the product to use in your promotional materials. That's it. You're all set up to start earning with the Shein affiliate program. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey.